Jones, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I've got another one that came from Exotic Nudes. Go to exoticnudes.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider 15. I think it is just Ramen Raider 15 for 15% off your order, and that's not too shabby. So, look at that. What's that? This is a rice noodle, I think. Hi, Miles. Hi, Mimi. Right? Isn't it rice vermicelli? Shan noodle tom yum. I'm totally wrong. It's a tom yum. So, it's from Mama of Thailand. This is another kind of re-review deal. It's been a long time. The liquid sachet, chili and flavor powder. I think that is all. And yeah, this is a rice noodle. See? So we're gonna drop this in for how long? What? 3 minutes. So we're dropping the noodles in a pot with 350 mils of water. Gonna make sure they're submerged and wet. And we're gonna drop the lid on top for 3 minutes. So quickly we'll do our quote from Mama Fuguando, man who invented instant noodles. Alright. Number 44. If you devote yourself for 5 years, you can accomplish a substantial task. Very true. I agree with that statement. So, let's see. What else is going on? So the smoke has cleared. Shush! The children are beating each other. They should just be happy. They should just be happy! That's the way I look at it. And, did this. It was, so here's the deal. Because of COVID, there was a virtual 5K walk, run, whatever. And since they didn't want to get a bunch of people together all in the same spot, you could pick where you would do it. But the thing is, though, it's like I had my Fitbit, my wife had her Fitbit, and we had Google Timeline telling us a different thing. All I know is that 3.07 miles is 5K, and we probably walked about 7, so we're good. But yeah, did that yesterday, and one of the perks of entering it is you got t-shirts. So I got a t-shirt. I got a medal too. I like to refer to it as a medallion. But yeah, and then a whole bunch of swag. Little lights and junk. Pretty cool. I'm stoked. That was fun. I'm going to lid and add the seasoning in. So there's a powder and a pepper base. So yeah, Mimi started school today. That went pretty darn good. And the hardest part of all of it is the amount of time, shush! It takes me to avoid killing them. Mainly due to the fact that now I have very little time. We're looking at the possibility, ladies and gentlemen, of like, It's like his stuff's almost all day now, and they're just gonna keep adding to it. And I'm like, no, I have to have time to do what I do. I gotta. Plus, you know, I can't do. There's no way I can do a 3-year-old doing a Zoom meeting and an autistic 5-year-old doing a Zoom meeting. It ain't happening. Not on the clock at the same exact time, that's for sure. But yeah, it's 2:13 now. With like very little prep, I lucked out and got this done. But now I'll have to go and edit and do all this stuff. And this isn't like I'm taking pictures and stuff, but these are literally re-reviews. This is like the easiest and quickest. Well, in about 15 minutes, I would have another meeting. It's like we did 1, 2, 3, 4 meetings today, 5 meetings today. It's like I feel like I'm just under the gun, like, you know. And it's all about, come on, look at the screen. Come on, look at the screen. Stop making the annoying noise. It's good. A nice little bit of sweetness to it. The rice noodle's nice and soft. I like that. I'm always going like that, looking to see if there's any gunk on the lens. The lens does have scratches, I know about that. The children are trying my patience. That's good, I like that. Alright. Thai bowl. Perfect. Alright. Shush! I'll strangle these two. Time out! Yeah, there'll be an episode that comes up. I'm not doing it at the show anymore. I threw them off the balcony. They came and they're taking me away right now. So it's been an enjoyable series, but you know, I have to pay the piper. The Halls of Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and your children each and every day. No, I wouldn't do that. But boy, small children can really try your patience, let me tell you. Just the level and high-pitched, horrible noises that they are capable of making. They're like weaponized humans. I'm using Naruto. I don't know how kosher that is, but I figured it just seemed kind of nice. There we go. And I think some red pepper flake might be good. Wherever it went. Where's my red pepper? Where's my red pepper flake? I guarantee I know who moved my red pepper flakes. It was me. I got in trouble the other day. I was like, where did you put my crackers? Where are they? Where did you put them? And then I'm like walking around. I don't know where you put them. They were right there. They were right there. And then I look and I'm like, oh, I put them over here. Yeah. Well, I mean, I gotta blame somebody other than me, right? find a way to make it easier to center this thing. All right, here we go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's what I call success. I did 2 unboxing videos today, and I banged out 2 reviews. They're re-reviews, that's fine. And I did a full day of schooling for them, although it'll probably end up being more every time, but so it goes. And I haven't killed the children, so that's definitely a plus. Right? Right. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Have a good one, and bye.